Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing really good. If you can believe it, this is like January. It's like grass is growing and there's hardly any snow, but stick around, we're gonna go have some fun with the little trials bike. So yes, you guys, 2019, look at that, it's January and there's grass growing, that's crazy. So yeah, I'm in the same area as where I did that not too long ago. Well, actually, I should just clarify that too, you guys. I did a lot of filming this past fall, the fall of 2018, I guess. I thought we'd be getting some crazy weather and I wanted to have a few videos to post. So I filmed a whole bunch. So a lot of the videos I post, I usually put it in the description when it was filmed, so in case you guys are wondering. But anyways, this is 2019, my first riding video of the year, and it's like hardly any snow here and it's beautiful. I can't even believe it. So yeah, I got a lot of flack on that last video I was up in this area. I had my, I was trying out that chest mount. I got the helmet one today, in case you didn't figure that out. And yeah, not a lot of people went for the chest mount, and I could understand why. It's kind of hard to, you know, it's hard to get the angle right with a chest mount because you're only looking forward, whereas with this, if I want to show you something over there, I simply look and point. But with the chest, you're stuck there. So yeah, I might find a use or two for it, you know, if I'm on a flat, boring logging road or something, then that'd be handy there because you're not looking around much. But yeah, you're pretty limited to where you can look with the chest mount. So yeah, beautiful, hey? Can you guys see how nice it is out here in January? I'm floored. Florida. So yeah, what a day. I think what we're gonna do is ditch my backpack. I got some camera gear with me and I don't need my little windbreaker on. Nice little valley here to play in, and there's a few little logs to hop over and stuff. So I think we're just gonna play around in here and see what we can find. I've lived here my whole life, but I've always ridden by it. The road is actually up on the top, and I always used to just go zipping by, but now I got a trials bike, of course. Everything opens up a whole new world. You can explore really small areas, and it's like you're on an adventure bike, you know, in new country. It's really cool. So yeah, little log here to play on. See that? How far this thing will, it literally won't lose traction when it's pretty mild like this. Except it just lost traction when I said it wouldn't. It's funny. Pretty fun. Deep up in there. Trials bike life, yeah. Let me know in the comments how many of you guys actually have trials bikes. I don't even know. Sometimes people comment on my channel and I don't really know what they're riding or what you're into, or tell you one thing, if you don't have a trials bike, you better get it on your list. It's deep up in here, hey? Holy. That ain't gonna work. Well, we might be able to get across there though. gonna hit. These are deer trails, I think. So yeah, I found that same little trail I was playing on last time. Now that I have the helmet cam, I'll show you guys the good thing about the helmet cam. Remember this part when I came into it with my chest mount? I was saying, look at how cool it is, you guys, the old mossy rocks. And look up there, you can see all the junk. See, now I can look and show you. Looks like a fridge or something. There's a sink there anyways, if anyone needs one. But just much better to be able to look around. You know, I like to focus on exploring and stuff when I'm on little adventures like this, so I guess part of the key to it is being able to show you guys what I'm looking at. So, hence the helmet cam comes in handy for looking around. Wow, eh? Holy. Not bad. So yeah, you guys, that's kind of the mount I use. Just something I made years ago, and I've just always stuck with it. It's, you know, I just Velcro it onto different helmets and that. So yeah, it works really good, and it's easy, quickly. You know, sometimes I want to mount it on a side of a bike or so, you know, whatever. The Velcro is just much better option for me, and it's always been fine. So yeah, right on. Nice spot. There's the lake right in front of my place. Charles' bike's right there. We'll play around in this valley here a little bit and see what we can find. So yeah, that looks steep there. As I've said before, of course it won't look steep on the camera, but we'll roll into it in a second. Man, oh man, look at this. Trying to find a couple little obstacles to play on, shoot some maybe get some pictures and a couple little videos. Just loving this weather. Forget where I am, kinda. Turned around there in some heavy brush there for a minute. Cool little, I don't know what you call it. Oh, there's a little log to play on. Beauty. Oh, look at this little, we're on a cliff. Oh, we're definitely on a cliff. Feels like we're on the water. Yeah, I find spots like this, they're so close to the water, you could just about have lunch here. That's kind of cool, you guys. I don't know what you'd call that. I'm just ricocheting off the stump like I see a lot of guys do. Oh, not that time. That's super duper fun and challenging too. I really dig the Charles bike because you can kind of push yourself without getting too hurt. You know what I mean? Like, you might tumble a little bit or something. There we go. Nice one. Hope I got that on my other camera. Very, very cool stuff, you guys. So yeah, such a beautiful little spot here. I can't even believe it. So there's all the big trails on that side of the lake. That's a bit bigger mountains over there, so you guys can see where I am here. So yeah, right on. I appreciate it, you guys. I appreciate everybody checking out all my stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out in a little bit different way here. I got the double camera thing going on, so helps you guys get a bit better view of what I'm doing. So yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out all my stuff. Definitely drop some comments below. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit the old subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the like button. And in the description, that's where I got all my links to my websites there. Patreon's there for the people that feel like contributing. And you know, all my social media and that kind of stuff is all there. So if you guys want to check out that stuff, check that out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Right on. Happy 2019.